Okay, we're going to now top stitch around the whole entire apron. So we're going to sew this at a 1/4 inch, so the outside edge of the presser foot, and we're going to do all the way around. We do this so, and not just at the opening one, it sets your seams so they're nice and flat. And it also closes up your opening. If you were just to stitch where your opening is, that would look kind of silly, so it makes it kind of more unified by stitching all the way. So I'm going to back stitch and start sewing at a 1/4 of an inch. Now, one important thing, and this has been kind of for all of it, is we want to keep our fabric flat. We don't want any fabric creeping underneath. When we have our strap, I want my strap out to this side because I want to top stitch on this side of my strap, so I don't want it to accidentally get caught in my stitching. To know when to pivot on this, it's when my fabric gets in where it comes in on those toes. We put our needle down and we can change our direction. Okay, now that I've top stitched all the way around the whole entire apron, I'm going to go through and trim my threads, and then I want you to do one last press job. So I want you to get all the wrinkles out of your fabric and creases and make sure it's ready for your final braid.